Tailor your laptop's behavior. Learn how to change the close lid action on Windows 10 and 11. Search Power CFG CPL in Windows search box and click on it on the list on the left-hand side. Click on the option Choose what closing the lid does. In the When I close the lid section, choose the action upon closing the lid for both plugged in and on battery states. Click on Save Changes to save the new settings. Press Win+R to open the Run window and type the command powercfg.cpl. Press Enter to open the Power Options window. Click on Change Plan Settings, corresponding to the currently selected power plan. Select Change Advanced Power Settings, and in the window that opens after that, expand Power Buttons and Lid. Then expand Lid Close Action and change the settings for both on battery and plugged in. Click on Apply and the OK. Press Win+R to open the Run window and type the command CMD. Press Enter to open the command prompt window. Type the following command in the command prompt window and press Enter. If your system is running on battery, if the power cable is plugged into the system, the index underscore number needs to be replaced by the following values: 0. Do nothing. 1. Sleep. 2. Hibernate. 3. Shut down. So for example, if we want to change the lid action to sleep, then run the command given below by replacing the index underscore number with 1. To save the changes, use the following command: Power CFG, set active scheme. _current hit enter and restart the system. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.